Which dog looks like it just walked off a fashion runway with its silky long hair? This is the Afghan Hound, one of the oldest and most glamorous dog breeds in the world. Bred in the mountains of Afghanistan, these dogs were once fierce hunters, chasing leopards and gazelles. But with that flowing hair and graceful walk, they look more like supermodels than hunters. They're independent, loyal, and a little mysterious, the kind of dog that makes you stare twice. This is episode 46 of the world's biggest dog breed challenge, and we're nowhere near done yet. Love stylish and powerful dogs? Subscribe now and follow the challenge. Every dog breed in the world, one by one,